Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Now, summer's coming on. There's going to be no shortage of commercials for and advertisements and people, selling you on going solar. Now's the time. Are you finally ready to go solar? Are you finally ready to go solar? Cut back on your energy bills. How many roofs are you doing just to get them prepared for solar?
Oh, we do quite a bit. And the thing with the solar is when you're installing solar to your roof, you don't want to install it to an old roof.
No.
Because they're putting that penetration of the solar through your roof. And if you do have an old roof system, you're going to get a leak. And so if your roof's already, let's say you have a roof and it's already about 15 years old and you're thinking about doing solar, the roof may last, a tile roof may last another 10 years past that. But if you're getting the solar, you might as well replace the roof because it's at that age and you don't want to have to go back and then pay to take the solar off. So because now you have the expense of taking the solar off, then you have the expense of doing the roof. So it's like you might as well do it before you even get the solar installed.
And many of those solars are on 30-year lease programs,
Yes.
30-year warranties, maintenance and everything. You want to make sure, like you said, your roof is going to last that same amount of time. That's going to give you your best dollar value investment than having to take the solar off, re-roof, and reinstall the solar. Solar needs electricians to come out,
Yes.
hook up, disconnect. So it adds a whole nother level. So don't underestimate or don't forget the roof factor for anybody looking to go solar this summer.
Yeah, and we can come out there and let you know where you're at as far as roof. Because I know some people are like, well, how do I know the age of my roof? And yes, that's a good question. You can obviously go off certain records, but sometimes you may not have those records. And so we'll go out there and we'll let you know where you're at. We'll either be like, hey, you do need to replace it, or hey, your roof is still good.
You're good to go.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.